So, I'm Halle, I'm the owner of this account, obviously. I saw this video of the Holy Grail, or fail, host putting Coke in her hair to make beach waves. Well, I'm gonna try that. She has thick-ish, long, brown hair with a little bit of curl at the end, not much. And as you see, I have medium, very thick, very curly hair. So we're going to see how this turns out, and my fiance is going to help me do the pouring, because I can't. I'm too blonde and too bullish for that. Here it is. So I'm going to flip my hair over, and my fiance is going to start pouring. I have to open the bottle first, obviously. Great idea. Alright. And she's only going to do about half the bottle, because this is a big bottle, and I don't need that much. Remember when you helped me dye my hair? No. Oh, this is going to be like that. Okay. I'm scared.
You know it's not showing, right?
Yeah. Okay. It tingles. Oh my god, it tingles. On this side. It takes my breath away.
Like me on our first date. Okay,
that's probably good.
You should have done it over the shower and then we could have rinsed it right away.
I know. So, I'm going to go rinse this out now, and then I'll show you the end product when it's wet, and then I'll show you it when it's halfway dry, and then I'll show you it when it's fully dry. Okay, bye. So it looks like it may have worked. I'm not really sure because I already have curly hair, but this is what it looks like wet. So let's see what it looks like dry. So this is it about half dry. I can definitely see the difference. It's a little more controlled curl than I generally have, but we'll see what it looks like completely dry. Okay, so this is the finished result. It's definitely more of a controlled curl than what I generally have, especially down in this area. The bangs though, those are my bangs. Those aren't Coke related. I must have just not gotten them good enough with the Coke, but this is the end product. I put a little bit of foundation on so this is not all natural because I bent over and my face got really red from bending over the bathtub, so this is my life. Alright, well, this is what it looks like for thick medium hair that is originally curly to get the Coca-Cola beach wave. Oh, and thanks for watching.